Well, hello, beautiful and awesome business owner. This is Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and online branding strategist. And if you're watching this video, you want to know how to make more money online with social media. You want to know what type of content you need to put out there to build your audience. And you want to know how to best brand your business. So if you want to know those things, keep watching because we're going to talk about that today as we help you build and brand and grow your business, because those are the kind of tips and tools and resources that you get on this channel. So if you like our channel, you like our videos, and I hope you check some of them out, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, hit that notification bell, and every time we do a video you will get notified, which is about once a week. So quickly, I want to talk about just something that I have my clients asking me, Marsha, how can I make more money with my social media posts? If I'm posting and I'm making a little headway, how can I increase that? And what kind of content am I supposed to put up there to build my brand? So those are great questions, and that's what we're going to talk about today in this video. So get a pen, get some paper. You may want to take some notes because it's going to help you build and brand and grow your business. And as a social media and branding strategist who's been at this for a few years and teaching it and presenting it to companies, and I'm a professor at the college, I do a lot of studying and research on it for me, for my business as a business owner, and also for you. So the first thing is, how do you make more money with your social media posts? Well, the first thing is you have to brand yourself. You have to create awareness and let people know about you, because you can't just start showing up on social media and nobody knows you and expect for them to buy from you. So you have to brand yourself. You have to put yourself out there, and in other words, pretty much introduce yourself to people on social media, whether you use Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or Pinterest. You have to introduce yourself, and that is branding. So for instance, when I started introducing myself a few years ago, I would basically brand myself through the voice that I would put out on social media. And the voice that I put out was a voice that says, if you have questions, I can answer them as far as social media and branding. If you have struggles, I can help you with some solutions. I'm here to give you great value, give you tips, give you strategies. I have free resources to help you. So that's the brand that I have put out about myself. And so the people who follow me and the people who know me, they would refer to me as a person who has a lot of resources, a person who has answers, a person who can help them with their questions, because that's how I have branded myself, through researching, reading, and getting the best information for me as a business owner and for you. So that is the first thing you want to do. If you want to start building your business, you have to brand yourself. So these are some questions to ask yourself to brand yourself. Okay, what is my goal for being out there on social media? What voice do I want? Do I want people to see me as a how-to person, a resource person? Do I want people to see me as very helpful? What kind of voice do I want people to see me as? What is it that I want my look to feel like, or my logo, my background images, my colors, my materials, my marketing materials? All of those are a part of branding. See, the thing about it is, branding is different from marketing. Sometimes people think branding is the same as marketing, but branding is not the same as marketing. Branding is what people think of you, what people say when you're not in a room, when people have a problem or a struggle, or they need a solution. Do they think of you? What is your look on your logo, your website, your background images on your social media? So branding is first. So you have to, like I say, introduce introduce yourself on social media. You may do that for a month, for 30 days, and whereas you're branding yourself, you're putting yourself out there as a resource person, as an industry leader, and you're showing up on your website, you're sending people to your website, you're showing up on social media, and you're actually just putting your brand out there. So now after about a few weeks, people get a feel for who you are and what your brand is. They may say about me, oh, Marsha's very helpful. That's the way I want my brand to look. Or she answers so many questions, or she gives away so much valuable information. That's the brand. That's what I want to put out there as my brand. So ask yourself, what's your goal? Why are you doing this? What prompted you to start your business? What are your passions? What are your colors? How do you want to start looking on social media? So that's your brand. So the second thing is, after you're branding yourself, is marketing. Okay, and so we talked about, how do I make more money, Marsha, with social media? Well, these are the 3 steps. The first thing, you have to brand yourself. And secondly, you have to market yourself. Now, how do I market myself? You pick the avenues that you're going to be marketing. You put your brand, people know about your brand. You know your goals, what you want to do on social media. You know how you want to be perceived as on social media from other people. So that's your brand. So are you going to market via email? Are you going to market maybe into social media sites? Maybe you're going to choose Facebook and LinkedIn, or maybe you're going to choose LinkedIn and Instagram, or maybe you're going to do YouTube or video marketing. And so if you're just starting, if you don't want to overwhelm yourself, pick 2. But 1 is not enough. You need to pick 2 and really work those 2, whether it's 3 days a week, 4 days a week, 2 days a week, but work those 2. And I have videos, other videos on social media marketing, how to build your brand, so you can be sure and watch some of my other videos on that. I always post lots of tips on my social sites, and I do send out emails that give value to you and your business as you're building and growing and branding your business. And you can find all of that at MarshaLynnHudson.com, and you can get any of my free resources. So you have to decide, are you going to market through blogging maybe once a week, or market through email marketing, or 2 social sites, or are you going to do video marketing? But I always say at least pick 2. And if you're working from home, or you're at home, or you have more time, you can dedicate a lot of your energy to 2 sites. You don't want to set up everything and be everywhere, especially if you're not going to run those sites. So now you're marketing your brand. For example, for me, when I post to LinkedIn, I'm posting tips and strategies and tools to my audience. It may be something on productivity tips for business owners. I may post on how to stay motivated if you're working from home. I may give a post on developing a good routine to go to work, which is in front of your computer and you're not having to go somewhere else. I may post on Facebook ads, how to grow your business with Facebook ads, how to take one idea from your business and put it online, turn it into an ATM machine. But every time I post, my brand is, Marsha is a how-to person. Marsha is helpful. Marsha gives information to help you as a business owner. So my marketing should reflect that. So I can put that on Facebook. I can put it on my Facebook group. Say yes to branding success. If you haven't been there, be sure and check that out. I can put it on my Twitter. I can put maybe 3 or 4 tips on how to be productive as a stay-at-home business owner. So every time I post on my social media, I'm sticking to my brand, which is positioning myself as the industry leader that I am, the how-to person, a resource person. When I do a podcast, I have YouTube, a channel, which you know that. Every time I do that, I want to be the person who answers your question. I want to be the person who you think of if you're having a struggle. I'm the solution, whether you're struggling in social media or what to do with it, or how to run how to manage it, how to do video marketing, how to get started, how to build your email list. Those are the things that I teach people on. So every time I post, I have to think, okay, Marsha, does this post answer a question for a business owner? Does this post solve a problem? Is this post helping them with a struggle? Because that is my goal. I want to answer your questions. I want to solve your problems. I want to be your solution in the areas that I teach in. And those areas are social media, content creation, and video marketing. So we're talking about branding, marketing, and to grow your business to make more money. And I guarantee if you follow these 3 steps, branding first, marketing second, and then the third one is converting. So if you follow these steps, you will get more clients, you will get more money, you will build your business. I know, because every time I teach, I'm teaching from experience, and this is what has happened with me in the last 2 years. So the third step is convert. So you can't just go online and start asking people to buy things from you or attend your events and they don't know you. You have to brand yourself first. You have to market through the right content, and then thirdly, you convert. So now that people get to know you, they know your brand, they see what you're posting, valuable information, you're giving answers, you're giving solutions, you're helping people stop their struggles. Now you convert people to either purchasing. Maybe you have a book, or maybe you have a program, or maybe you have a course, or maybe you're a consultant and you want people to, or maybe you have a product and you want people to buy. If you go through these steps, it helps you more with getting more. It helps you to be in a position to be able to convert a potential customer or client and become your client. So now they've seen your brand. They have seen your post. They have you've captured them through marketing. Now you have a product, and you may want them to consider buying your new book, or consider buying your product, or consider coming to an event you're having, or consider buying an online course you've made, or some of your services. Now they're more open to opening their pocketbook. Where's my pocketbook? Opening their wallet. Now they're more open to their wallet, getting out their card and purchasing from you. So I hope these tips have been helpful to you on how to get more business on social media, how to brand yourself, how to market your business so that you can build a strong brand, and the 3 steps that actually work. If you're consistent and you're committed, and it doesn't happen overnight, but if you do this for a month, 2 months, you will build your business, you will get more clients, you will get people, wait a minute, opening up their pocketbook. Okay, and the 3 steps are branding, number 2 is marketing, and number 3 is converting. So guys, until next time, this is Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and online branding strategist, and I hope you like our videos. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, hit that notification button, and every time we have a video, you will get a notification. But don't forget about my free library, because we have lots of wonderful freebies in my library. They're great on branding, on email marketing, on video marketing. Lots of free wonderful resources at MarshaLynnHudson.com. You can go there and see we have free courses, free tools and tips, all sorts of things to help you build and brand and grow your business. So until I see you next time, the next video, have a great day.